have two ways to install the Go language. The first one, you can just download the installer from the website and archive to extract to the user local folder. It will create a new folder, Go. Then you will have to add the user local Go bin path to the path variable. You can add the export path line to the home profile file or to the etc user profile file. In this case, I will add it to the second one. To check the path, you run the source command and then run the go version command. To make the changes permanent, just log out and log in again to your user account. The second way is just to install Go by using the following command: sudo snap install go with classic as a parameter. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.